today we have two pictures of Chase and Skye along with a story about them. Chase is one of the main characters in the popular animated children's series PAW Patrol. He is a German Shepherd puppy who serves as the police and spy dog for the PAW Patrol team. Chase is known for his courageous, disciplined, and loyal nature, qualities that make him an invaluable member of the team. His leadership skills and sense of responsibility often put him in charge during missions, where he demonstrates exceptional problem-solving abilities and quick thinking. As the leader of the PAW Patrol, Chase is often tasked with coordinating rescue efforts and guiding the other pups through complex challenges. His signature catchphrase, "Chase is on the case," reflects his proactive and enthusiastic approach to any problem that arises. Chase's uniform includes a blue police hat and vest, highlighting his role as the team's law enforcement and traffic control expert. He drives a blue police-themed SUV equipped with megaphones, cones, and other essential tools to assist in various rescue missions. Chase's character is multidimensional, portraying both strength and vulnerability. While he is confident and brave, he also has fears that make him relatable to young audiences. For example, in some episodes, it is revealed that Chase has an aversion to cats and can sometimes struggle when faced with unexpected challenges. These moments show that even leaders have their insecurities, teaching kids that it's okay to have fears as long as you try your best to overcome them. Chase's relationships with the other members of the PAW Patrol highlight the importance of teamwork and friendship. He shares a particularly close bond with Marshall, the clumsy but lovable fire dog, and Skye, the aviation expert. Despite occasional disagreements or friendly rivalries, Chase always prioritizes the mission and the safety of the team, showcasing his commitment to collaboration and the greater good. Chase's role in PAW Patrol not only entertains but also serves as a positive role model for young viewers. His actions teach valuable lessons about responsibility, courage, and leadership. The show often uses Chase's character to demonstrate how to stay calm under pressure and approach problems methodically. His catchphrases, like "These paws uphold the laws," emphasize his dedication to justice and order, adding to his persona as a dependable protector of Adventure Bay. Beyond his official duties, Chase has moments that show his playful and caring side. He is known to engage in games and fun activities with his fellow pups when off-duty, showing that balance between work and play is essential. Chase's interactions with Ryder, the young boy who leads the PAW Patrol, further underscore his loyalty and trust in leadership, making him a favorite among fans. Overall, Chase is a well-loved character in PAW Patrol, admired for his heroism, intelligence, and steadfast commitment to helping others. His development throughout the series reflects the values of empathy, resilience, and teamwork, providing a strong, positive figure for children to look up to. Get ready for the next drawing of Skye. Skye is one of the most beloved characters from the animated children's series PAW Patrol. She is a cockapoo, a mix between a Cocker Spaniel and a Poodle, who serves as the aviation specialist for the team. Skye is known for her adventurous spirit, intelligence, and fearless approach to any challenge. As the first female pup in the original lineup of the PAW Patrol, she holds a special place in the hearts of young viewers, embodying the qualities of bravery, skill, and positivity. Skye's primary role within the PAW Patrol team is to handle aerial rescues and surveillance. Her catchphrase, "This pup's gotta fly," reflects her passion for flying and her excitement whenever she is called to action. Skye's uniform consists of a pink pilot helmet and vest, which matches her pink and gray helicopter. Her helicopter is equipped with wings, a hook, and other special gadgets to aid in various rescue missions. Skye's unique ability to fly gives her an advantage in situations that require an aerial perspective or access to hard-to-reach places, making her a crucial member of the team. One of Skye's defining traits is her cheerful and optimistic personality. She is always ready to help her friends and faces every mission with a smile. Skye's energy and enthusiasm are contagious, and she often motivates her fellow pups to stay positive, even in challenging situations. Despite her small size, Skye is incredibly resourceful and confident, showing that courage isn't defined by physical strength but by a willingness to face challenges head-on. Skye's character also demonstrates compassion and empathy. She cares deeply about her friends and the residents of Adventure Bay, often going out of her way to ensure everyone's safety and well-being. Her interactions with the other members of the PAW Patrol highlight the importance of teamwork, trust, and friendship. Skye shares a special bond with Chase, the team's leader, as well as Marshall, Rubble, and the other pups. These relationships underscore her ability to work collaboratively and effectively within a team. Skye's adventurous nature is balanced by her playful side. When she's not on a mission, she enjoys playing games and having fun with her friends. Her playful spirit is especially evident during scenes where the pups relax and enjoy themselves after a successful rescue. This aspect of her character adds depth and relatability, showing that even the most courageous heroes have time for fun and relaxation. In addition to her role in rescues, Skye's character is a role model for perseverance and resilience. In several episodes, she faces difficult or intimidating situations that test her limits. However, Skye always manages to overcome these obstacles through her determination and quick thinking. These moments teach young viewers that it's okay to be nervous or scared as long as they don't give up and keep trying. Please subscribe, like, and share this video.